Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question. Hi, thanks again for sharing your knowledge of YouTube. Question. A well-known Poshmark's... Okay, I seriously get questions about bots, like literally every day. Okay. A well-known Poshmark's seller and speaker at Posh Fest, and she says the person's name, came out publicly on Instagram saying and showing that she uses VA bots. Do you think it's okay and Poshmark will allow bots now? Talked about this in a previous video. I'll link that down below. I'm just briefly gonna mention it again. A lot of people have come out recently saying, I use bots, you know, bots are way more efficient, which they're right. They are. They're a time saver, yes, but they're still against Poshmark terms of service. Yeah, people have just been really brave recently about their bot usage. Cleared things up. It's still not okay in Poshmark's eyes, but you know, you can go for it. You can risk your business if you want. That's up to you to make that decision. And then your other question was, also, I haven't accepted the Posh ambassador. Should I, or it doesn't really make a difference? Thank you. Looking forward to another video. So I have a video talking all about Poshmark ambassadors and what it means to be a Posh ambassador. It's just like a cutesy term that Poshmark uses. The perks, I mean, there's no perks. There's really no perks. I didn't see an increase in sales when I became a Poshmark ambassador. I mean, I saw maybe a few more followers than usual. Again, I have a video talking all about that. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I mean, it's nothing to like sweat over and strive and work day and night to become, because it really is just like a title with nothing that comes from it, basically. Okay, next question. Hi Vanessa, love your videos and your awesome personality. Thank you. I look forward to seeing your new videos every day. I've been slacking on videos, been slacking. I'm actually gonna upload a video today on my vlog channel. I want to bring back my vlog channel. I'm not gonna monetize it. You guys know my stance on you know, putting kids on YouTube and making money off kids and shit like that. So I'm not going to monetize it. So I'm not going to monetize the channel, but I am going to be putting more vlogs. I have a question about the new Poshmark features, which I still do not have. I don't have the new Poshmark bulk share feature, which is... I know there was a limit of 10,000 actions shared allowed on your account within a 24-hour period, and if you went over, you would end up in share jail for 24 hours. I heard with the new bulk updates, they did away with the 10,000 a day limit. Is it true? Have you tested it out or know of anyone else? I want to go crazy and share and follow people, but I'm worried I might end up in share jail because I haven't gotten the updated bulk feature yet. Thanks in advance. So Erica, I don't know. You're actually the first person that I've seen mention that or talk about that or ask that. I don't know. I will do a little bit more research to see. I've been in share jail many times. And honestly, it's not that bad. Basically, share jail means that, you know, you've shared over their limit and you aren't able to share for a certain time frame. It's different every time, which is really weird. Sometimes it's 24 hours, sometimes it's just a couple hours. I don't know how they determine that. Yeah, now you got me wondering. I'm definitely going to research this and I'll get back to you. Next question. Hello, Vanessa. Love your channel. Great tips. Thank you. You talk about lowball offers often, and just wondering, does anyone ever send you a lowball offer? How do you consider accepting it? I get those often, and any tips would be appreciated. Also, I still do not see the bulk sharing option on Poshmark, and I check for app updates daily. Is it something available on the app or on the browser? Thank you. Okay, so to answer that, again, I still haven't got the bulk share update, but I've heard that it is on the website browser as well. I'm actually gonna try that. I'll let you guys know while editing this video if I have it on my web browser, but yeah, you just gotta keep checking for it. I guess they're rolling it out in waves or something. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. As far as lowball offers go, it really depends on the item, how low I'm willing to go. If I've had an item for a while, you know, I'll go low most of the time. But yeah, it really depends on the item, how much I paid for it. And yeah, again, I don't get offended. If you guys are new here and you don't know my stance, I don't get offended at lowball offers. I know a lot of people do. I just see it as the person trying to get a deal. I do the same exact thing, so I can't get mad at that. I just counter back and hold my ground. Last question. Hello and thank you. Your channel helps keep me sane on these Poshmark streets. LOL. Thanks, Cheryl. Question. What do you do when you disclose on your listing a flaw with multiple pictures of the flaw along with details of the flaw in the description and how to repair, and the buyer gives you a bad rating based on that flaw? Have you ran into any issues like that? That person's just an asshole then. Or they didn't read your description. So yeah, if you disclose on your listing that there's a flaw, if you show pictures of it and you even tell them how to repair it, like, whoa, that's above and beyond. and they still give you a bad rating, that's on them. Again, they could either just be an asshole or they maybe didn't read the description. There's lots of people that just buy things, look at like one picture, they're like, oh, that's cute. You know, they don't read the description or look at other pictures. So yeah, that's definitely not on you because you did all that you can do. Again, disclosing it and even telling them how to repair it. I've never done that. I've never done that. So again, Cheryl, that's above and beyond. And I would just let it go. Just let it go. That is it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.